by a mask, there's no need to wear lipstick. Instead, opt for a tinted lip balm or lip gloss that will provide a hint of color and moisture to your lips. Tip 4. Set your makeup. To make sure your makeup stays in place, set it with a setting spray or powder. This will help to keep your foundation and eye makeup from rubbing off onto your mask. Tip 5. Keep it simple. Remember that less is more when it comes to wearing makeup under a mask. Focus on enhancing your natural features and keeping your makeup simple and natural looking. Avoid heavy contouring or bold lip colors, and instead stick to a simple, natural makeup look. In conclusion, wearing a mask can make it challenging to wear makeup, but it's still possible to look great with a few simple tips and tricks. Focus on enhancing your eyes, use a long-lasting foundation, avoid lipstick, set your makeup, and keep it simple. With these tips, you'll be able to wear makeup comfortably and confidently while staying safe during the pandemic. With masks now an essential part of daily attire, it is important to consider how your makeup will fare under a mask. Heavy foundation, powder and full coverage concealer can become cakey, creasy and cling to the mouth area of masks. Lightweight, breathable makeup designed for sensitive skin is the best approach. Here are some tips for applying makeup with masks. Focus on the eyes. Use eye makeup to draw attention and brightness to the eyes. Wash the eyelids with a color corrector in your base shade or slightly lighter to highlight. Apply eyeliner and mascara to make eyes the focal point. Use neutral or natural colored shadows for a soft daytime look or darker shades for night. Moisturize and prime. Keep skin hydrated by applying a moisturizer and primer before eye makeup. A primer creates a smooth base for makeup to adhere to and prevents creasing. Look for oil-free, non-comedogenic and breathable formulas. Light coverage foundation. Apply a lightweight liquid or powder foundation with minimal coverage. Look for terms like hydrating, breathable, oil-free. Avoid heavy full coverage foundations which can settle into fine lines and become cakey. Conceal targeted areas. Use a color corrector or concealer on any areas you want to brighten, like under the eyes, or cover like blemishes, scars or age spots.